name is Irma McKnight, and I created this one with the help of Pretty Neat and Creative. Right there. See, guys? They're the ones to help me do this. Now, there's a story behind this picture. The sunset I took coming from Colorado Springs, coming towards Canyon City, and I took a picture of the sunset. With the help of some Facebook tools and other tools, I added the balloons, the rainbow, and then these angels. And in the center here is the earth here. But this right here is extra special. Right here is the solar eclipse from 2 years ago that we had just here recently. That's the solar eclipse inside the earth. Okay? That's God's glory watching over the earth. So it's God's angels, guardians of earth. Our angels are guarding our earth. And that's the story behind this. It took me a while to start out. This was my very first square diamond painting. And I started off, instead of starting off down here like I should have started, I started up here at the top. And it didn't come out quite like I thought it would, so I kind of messed up a little bit at first. Because some of these patterns were just real close. Some of these patterns are just real super close. That's the only problem I had. And the only other issue I had was a little dark. But I think it's awesome and I think it's beautiful. And it really took me a while to do it. Get this, babe. This is beautiful. This is what I worked on for a long time. Okay. Go back a little bit. I worked on this for a while. This one took me about a month and a half to do because, like I said, my very first diamond painting of the square. And this is my very first custom. And I love it. Thank you, Pretty Neat Creative. You did an awesome job. And I am very happy with my work. As you can tell, it's fun doing diamond painting. Who says you can't get messy? Love it. Thank you.